Now let's introduce LC3000D banner welding machine. First, we should collect the power, then turn on this power button. You can see the machine is in working mode. First step, we should set the actual temperature depending on the thickness of the banner. That we can see, this is the set temperature, this one is the actual temperature. Use these two buttons to adjust the set temperature. You can see that this one is to increase, and this one is to reduce. After we set the temperature that we need, then we should turn on this yellow button. Now we can see the actual temperature is increasing. You can see that this is the actual temperature, this is the set temperature, and this is the working speed. When the actual temperature is the same with the set temperature, then we can begin to work. And for now, we can begin to weld. And then we should adjust the wind speed. This button is to control the wind speed. You can see that. In general, we put the wind speed to the biggest, but we can adjust it depending on the need, depending on our demand. And then we should set the working speed. This button to control the working speed. In general, we put it between 3 and 4. And also have this machine have laser positioning, now you can see, and also the LED light is more easy working light. Now you can see the actual temperature and the set temperature is the same. So now we begin to weld. First we should use one hand hold down the heat gun. Then the machine begins to work. Pull it out, the machine stops. And after we finish welding work, first we should turn off this yellow button. You can see the actual temperature is reduced. When the actual temperature below 40 degrees, then you will turn off the machine, or it will damage the heater. That's all. Thank you.